Ah, what a lousy day. It's just cold and damp and gray, and I'm so chilly. Chili sounds good. Yeah, I think I'll go make some chili right now. Hola, chicas and muchachas. Welcome to Super Skills. We're going to make chili today with only 5 ingredients. And these can be ingredients that you can have on hand anytime. We're going to use 1 pound of ground beef, 45 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 small onion, and of course, chili powder. Okay, we're going to start by sauteing the meat. You could use turkey instead. I'm going to be using ground beef. But in either case, I like to spray the pan first because it makes cleanup a lot easier. Heat the stove at medium heat. And you're going to put the hamburger right in there. And use a spatula or a spoon or something to break it up. So go ahead and break it up so you don't have any big chunks. You want everything to be kind of small chunks. And you're just going to keep doing this until you've got small pieces and the meat is cooked. So stay right with it. Don't let it go. Keep it in motion. Okay, my beef is all cooked. And I'm going to use a slotted spoon, see the holes in it, to scoop it out because I want to leave the fat behind. But I'm not going to throw out the fat. That's going to come in handy in a little bit. I'll just leave it in the pan and let it all cool for now. There, my pound of hamburger is sauteed and done. So I'm just going to set this aside and come back to it in a little bit. Okay, there's a bit of grease in the pan, and I'm not going to get rid of that. I'm going to hold on to that because I'm going to use it in a little bit. So I'm just going to set this hamburger grease aside for now as well. Next, we're going to chop up the onion. I like to take the top and the bottom off first. Get rid of those. Those will go in the compost pile. And to get the peeling off, I cut it in half and I just peel the outer layer. Peel the outer layer of the onion skin right off. There, and then we're going to chop it up pretty fine. There we go. Onion's done. Oh, I don't know why my eyes are watering. Oh, must have been those onions. Remember I said we'd need that hamburger grease? Well, here's where we need 1 tablespoon. And we're going to put that back into the pan. And we're going to use it to saute the onions. So I'm going to put the heat on about a little less than medium. That should be good. Okay, 5 minutes has gone by, and I ended up keeping it on medium heat, and that is just right. So the beans need to be drained, so you're going to need some kind of a strainer, and Just pour those beans right through the strainer. Sometimes there's a few at the bottom. Dump it right through the strainer. Same with the kidney beans, or you can use a combination of any two beans that you like here. I have kidney beans and black beans. And it doesn't hurt to give them a good rinse. And next we're going to add this to the onions. So the next step is to add all the other ingredients to the pot. So I've got my 2 cans of beans that go in. I've got 45 ounces of diced tomatoes with chili peppers, which is each can here is 10 ounces. So I'm going to do 4.5 cans. Wow, that's a lot of tomato. Half of this one. And the beef, of course. And of course, the most important ingredient, 2 tablespoons of chili pepper. So I'm going to bring it to a boil now. I've got the stove top on pretty high. I'm going to stir everything in together. Okay, so it's finally boiling. I'm going to turn it down to medium-low next. Give it a little stir before I put a lid on it. Smells great. And on medium-low, I'm going to just let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's check on our chili. Looks so good. I'm going to give it a stir and then put it in a bowl and give it a try. So depending on how you like your chili, you could put on some shredded cheese or maybe some green onions or cilantro or sour cream. And I like sour cream on mine, so I'm going to put a scoop of sour cream on my chili. Give it a try. Hot, really hot. Very good. Yum. So it's not really spicy, so maybe next time I'll add another scoop of chili powder. And you could even do a chili challenge where you put a little bit more chili powder in every time you make this and see how hot you can stand it. So after you've made this 5-ingredient chili recipe, let me know so I can get you a chili pin. Congratulations.